The Tune GT-R and Silvia battle was the next race in the event. The grid was formed in reverse pole position, the usual starting method in BMI and hot version. The GT-R and Silvia 5-lap battle begins. The MCR GT-R, a car from the Toge Monsters garage, is driven by MCR's own Shinichi Kobayashi. The Mines GT-R has Manabu Orido. This race is like the My Car Challenge, tuner versus pro driver. The three Silvias are no match for the 600 horsepower plus GT-Rs. But Yashio Factory Silvia with Oka Chan behind the wheel is hanging in there. Tsuchiya in the Nismo GT-R running at the top. Kobayashi in the MCR GT-R locking onto Tsuchiya, getting ready for the passing opportunity on the back straightaway. Keep an eye on Kobayashi's right hand. See him press the scramble turbo boost switch? Easily passes the Nismo GT-R. Orido tries to follow the MCR machine. Tsuchiya was determined to win the race and defend the manufacturer's honor and pride. The performance gap seems too big. In the back, Autoland Yamagata S14 retiring from the race due to clutch problems. The battle is in the third lap. Kobayashi in the MCR GT-R and Orido in the Mines GT-R battling it out for top position. Using good speed coming out of the last turn, Orido puts pressure on Kobayashi going into the first corner. Kobayashi doesn't let people push him around, but this time he has no choice but to leave space for Orido. Going into the first hairpin side by side, MCR Kobayashi clinging to the lead. Orido continues to put pressure as the two cars battle it out head-to-head without any cheap blocking. Whoa, Okamura in the Yashio Factory S15 catches up within range to hunt down Tsuchiya's Nismo GT-R. The battle enters the final lap. It will be interesting to see what Orido intends to do to grab the lead from Kobayashi. Locking on to the MCR GT-R in the infield. Kobayashi closes any room inside, Orido putting on pressure with out and inside maneuvers. Where Kobayashi had to close the inside, he had to ease the gas, giving up an opportunity for Orido to make a move. Kobayashi uses the scramble boost button again, taking the risk of blowing the engine. Orido in the Mines GT-R breathing down on Kobayashi. He crosses over and jumps inside. Orido in the Mines GT-R muscling into the inside. MCR is desperately hanging in. Who won? Orido grabs the checkered flag by a mere bumper length. Tsuchiya barely manages to keep his position in front of Yashio Factory's S15. Taniguchi, way back of the pack, demonstrates some drifting to the fans in the grandstand.